Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2020 Ford Ranger XLT. Coming in this nice Oxford white color, this vehicle is powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we have rear park sensing, tow hitch, we have a backup camera, we do have a bed liner as well, mud flaps on the rear, we do get blind spot detection with this vehicle as well, mud flaps on the front. And moving to the front, we have two tow hooks and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space with some cloth accents. You, of course, can, if I can get it off, fold this down for 2 cup holders and some arm space. Got a little storage cubby there with 2 USBs and a 12-volt. And of course, you can lift up the seats for additional storage space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats, the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space, the same cloth on the door. You have your lights right there, and your mirror adjusters just on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 45,500 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. You got your volume, play back, play forward, music, phone, mute, voice, home, and settings, cruise control, and toggle for your screen, which you can then go through. Trip 1, Trip 2, fuel economy, truck info, driving assist, and other settings. Over here, we have a leather-wrapped gear shift, speed adjusters, cup holders, parking brake, 4-wheel drive, auto stop, auto start, rear locking diff, tow and haul, traction, heated seats, storage with 2 USBs and 2 12-volts. We have a nice leather-wrapped center console above with our climate controls with dual climate. You have your volume, tune, media controls, storage right there with the nice Ranger logo, storage right there as well. And on our infotainment system, we have our audio, compass, and phone. For your audio, you do get Sirius XM capabilities, Bluetooth, all that fun stuff. You also have climate control here and down there, whatever you prefer, phone, any apps you may have downloaded, and your settings. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B7779, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.